start.
Hello, I'm Miles Tails Prower. We will learn about convex and concave lens formula. As before, we have learnt about the mirrors. We will go ahead with the lens. Typically it's made of glass material. For about convex lens, it's a converging lens. We do the same way, but with a different material used. We have added new variables with apostrophe to obtain an image. 0th case, that is without object, it goes only through focus. 1st case, if the object is placed beyond C, the image appears to be diminished and is real and inverted, between C' and F'. 2nd case, if the object is placed at C, its image forms at C', typically the size is equal, and is real and inverted. 3rd case, if the object is placed between C and F, the image becomes larger beyond C, which is again real and inverted. 4th case, if the object is placed at focus, the object that becomes infinitely larger. Neither you find real and inverted, nor virtual and erect. And 5th case, if the object is placed between focus and the convex lens, the image is formed behind the object that becomes virtual and erect. You can compare with the cases obtained in concave mirrors. On the other hand, using concave lens, typically it's a diverging lens. The image is always virtual and erect, independent at any position, just like we discussed with convex mirrors. Vice versa, an opposite type, just like we find out. The formula of lens is given by 1 by V, minus 1 by U, equals 1 by F. Just keep in mind with these signs. Plus sign belongs to the mirror formula, and negative sign belongs to the lens formula. You can find out the unknown value just like we did an example for the mirror formula. So now we have learnt about convex and concave lens formula. Like, comment, and subscribe now.